Hey, what's up? Good evening. Alright, so I'm actually just, if you've watched my vlog, like, okay, let me keep this camera this way so you can see the view up here, like this. If you've watched my vlog, you've seen I've sat outside here for a few times, filming. Today was just a very dramatic day. I wanted to like film it, but I was like, what's the need? Man, some lady, came into the compound today. And anyway, previously the lady has come before, to steal some shoes and clothes. If you just wash your stuff outside and keep, the lady will just come and pack everything. So the lady came today and, packed, just opened the gate, get into someone's house. And unfortunately for her, they caught her. So it was like a drama, because the compound is so like very, no noise, people are just not all around everywhere, and that's why they think that, oh, nobody's around. And she just came in and they caught her today, and she was carrying a baby. Like, the baby is just probably like maybe 6 months old. People were just like having mercy for her because of the baby. But knowing that she has come before to steal people's things, they were just like, no, they have to take her to the police station, they have to detain her and all of that. But anyway, all those things pass. And well, I left them, I went out to some plenty places like that. And yep, I'm just outside here, just receiving fresh air, let my head think right and see, just look at those green grasses around. Although I'm thinking of like visiting my friend, or maybe not now, maybe later. But anyway, guys, so that's it. I'm just relaxing here, and this fresh air is just so freaking, like, so good on my skin right now. Like, so good. Yep, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna chat with you guys later. It's already evening. I don't know if I'll be vlogging again today, but if I don't, I'll do that tomorrow. But for now, thanks, guys. And so my day didn't end like in the house as always, like eating outside again. I've been having a bad habit these days. I've been eating outside. Like, I have food in the house, but still kind of feel like eating outside, because if I do, I'll be able to like eat well and the feel that is satisfied. So that's why I eat outside. Alright, sometimes not all the time anyways. Alright, there's a music playing at the background, so I wouldn't want to copyright it. So maybe tomorrow. Hey, what up, people? Good afternoon. Alright, so it's another day, and I'm just like going out. I just want to go out with my friend, my very good friend. So we're actually going somewhere. I want to buy some stuff. I want to change my phone, and I want to get some few stuff in town. And yep, that's it. That's basically it. And what else? I think I'll branch and take some snack first. Just meat pie and just go with it. Yeah? What? Why? Hold on, let me ask. So that I'll just branch and give my friend this eyelashes. So I bought these eyelashes. I want to, give it as a gift to my friend, because she usually don't use lashes, because she does not know how to use it. So that's why I said I promised her that I'm going to buy lashes for her, so she can learn how to use it. When learning how to use lashes, that you have to install and remove it back in the evening. It's kind of very difficult, but practicing it every time, like using it all the time, would help. So that's it. That's it. We're gonna be chatting soon. Like, I'm gonna take you guys, along with me. And this place is hot. Let's go, please. All right. See you guys later. I'm actually at to say to Banex Plaza. This plaza is actually one among the most busiest plaza in Abuja. Like, it's so freaking busy. You can see a lot of cars. The whole plaza around here is just so occupied, and they have so much things. Like, anything you just want to do, anything you want to get, anything you just need, you just come to this plaza. And the plaza is so freaking large. There's so much people. So just like I told you guys, I needed to change my phone, and that's why I'm here. Because my phone is actually having some earpiece problem, so people can't hear me very well when I talk. So that's why I'm actually changing the phone, the smaller phone though, not the iPhone. So that's why I'm here. Just change it. I'm still gonna buy a smaller phone. Okay. So talk later. Alright, so I'm done with my little shopping. Although not completely done, because I want to go and get soap. Alright, so this is the phone I bought. I don't know, maybe when I get home I'm going to show you guys, like open it up and show you guys. It's just a very small phone though, but it's very fanciful. I needed a very small phone to replace my small phone, replace this one, because this one is having earpiece issue. Okay, that's why I needed to replace it. I just need a phone, a very portable phone I just can hold outside. I don't need to hold two big phones and all of that, but when I need it I'll buy it anyways. Okay, so we bought something also to just snack with, some snacks and some drinks. So we're going to be eating this while on our way. I want to go and get my soap, and from there I'll be going to get plug for the car. So I'm going to be talking to you later, like vlogging later. Alright, so before that I saw a subscriber yeah, I saw a subscriber where she was even the one that saw this thing for me. But of course, since I just maybe didn't want to kind of embarrass her, or maybe she would be like camera shy. That's why I didn't want to vlog with her, so respect her privacy kind of thing, So she was like, "Hi Victoria, I just finished watching you," and I'm like, "Wow." And she was like, "Yeah." And I was like, "Oh, did you like my videos?" She said, "Yeah, she loved them and I should do more." I kind of feel, super, I don't know, maybe if I kind of see my subscribers like super excited, because it's just my artwork, that is just making everything possible. So guys, let me eat and drink some stuff and back. Alright guys, so this is the soup I usually used to use before. Alright, so I'm actually at exclusive store. I just want to shop for my soap and maybe oil and some other stuff. What up, guys? I don't know if you guys can see me very well. Let me go on this thing. Okay, so I'm just coming back right now. All right, the second place I entered was H Medics, because the other place they didn't have it, so I just had to go there. You know, just pick up this. You know, and you know, just pick up some of this. This is what I use, and this is the phone I bought. It's actually a small phone though. Initially, I'm not just this of a big phone kind of person, so this is how the phone is. It's a very small, fanciful kind of phone that I'll replace the other one, because the other one, the earpiece is really kind of giving me shit. Okay, so I had to buy this small one. It's very unique and beautiful though. I love it. Yep, so that's it. This is the container. I'll just dispose it right now. I think everything should be inside here. So I saw a subscriber. I thought I told you guys that before. I saw a subscriber there. There's the battery. The battery is really flat. I'm sure that's why the phone is flat. So I got this too. I got this stuff that I'm gonna be pasting in my toilet. So I'm gonna, you know, put my brush, and the toothpaste is really nice too. So those are the things I got from the market, and I got some stuff for kitchen. Yeah, also. It's really nice. Alright guys, so that's basically it. Today was very, anytime I'm outside, like my face will be, especially here, this is my T-zone area, will be kind of oily, except except I've used like lemon and orange zest. I kind of apply that on my face, especially this place, to reduce the oiliness on my face. Alright, so that's basically it guys, and I'm back. So I'm actually gonna be going to look for something to eat for, you know, now, and that'll be it guys. I kind of want to conclude this video for today. Yup, why I didn't vlog so much while shopping was that the music in the background was kind of disturbing, so I would still have to remove the music and put on other music, you know, because of copyright and all of that. So that is why I didn't actually talk for so long and all of those things. So that's it guys. We'll be talking again soon. So now I have another long charger. I'm sure this charger is original. It's long. Usually when I'm making videos for my beauty channel, I kind of use a very long charger so it can go up to my tripod stand. And that's it guys. So if you do find my video, like my vlog, interesting, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys later. But for now, bye guys, and stay beautiful, flawless. That's actually what I say on my beauty channel. And stay real. Yeah. Stay real. Bye.